Commercial roof repair in Carlisle, Pennsylvania keeps businesses protected from leaks, storm damage, and aging materials. All Pro Roofing Service Carlisle, Pennsylvania delivers repairs that help extend roof life and reduce disruptions. Our team handles flat roofs, metal roofing, and commercial shingle systems with practical repair solutions for local properties. We inspect damaged areas carefully, fix problem sections efficiently, and work to keep your business operating safely through changing Pennsylvania weather conditions. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for a commercial roof repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing Service Carlisle, Pennsylvania. How do I know if my commercial roof needs repair? Signs your commercial roof needs repair include leaks, ponding water, damaged flashing, rising energy costs, cracked membrane areas, interior stains, and visible storm damage affecting safety and weatherproof protection performance. How often should a commercial roof be inspected? Commercial roofs should receive professional inspection services twice yearly and after severe storms. Regular maintenance helps identify leak issues, drainage problems, flashing damage, and structural concerns before replacement becomes necessary. What is the service area for your Carlisle, Pennsylvania location? Our commercial roof repair service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Carlisle, Peach Glen, Shippensburg, Gardners, Walnut Bottom, Dillsburg, Mount Holly Springs, Boiling Springs, Grantham, Newville, Mechanicsburg, Plainfield, New Kingstown, Camp Hill, Anola, Summerdale, Blosserville, Schlosser, Wirtsville, and Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Carlisle, Pennsylvania commercial roof repair office located? We are located at 417 Walnut Street, Carlisle, Pennsylvania 17013. Our phone number is 717-993-1409. Visit our website, aproofer.com/Carlisle-PA.